If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
When you're making a shirt or a jacket or a shirt dress or whatever, one of the final stages is doing the buttons. You want those buttonholes spaced evenly so that the buttons are spaced evenly and your shirt or jacket or whatever looks nice. One of the fun ways to make sure that your buttonholes, to do even marking on something, is to use this tool here. So I find for shirts for myself, a 3-inch button spacing works. If I'm doing a shirt for one of my sons or my husband, I might go to 3.5 inches or 4 inches. But what I'll do here is, if I put this marker here and then stretch this one to the 3 inches away, let's do the 4 like that, you'll see that all of these, you can stretch them so, and on a ruler you can get them so that they're all 3 inches apart like that. Then you take this and you lay it on your garment like this on the button band, and take a chalk marker, or you could even use a pin or whatever, and you just mark them like that. And there you go, beautifully evenly spaced. This tool is also good for marking even spacing for pleats or for smocking, where you need all those very, very evenly spaced folds that you press and then you embroider them together. But if you want an easy way to make sure that you've got markings evenly spaced at whatever dimension you want, this is the tool that you need.